Hello,
Hello, teacher.
dear. Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's good to know. Did you have a busy day?
Yes.
Are you tired?
No.
Okay, that's good to know that you're not tired yet because we will have a lesson, of course. So, we do have here some short exercises. Okay, do you still recall the past tense of the verbs or simple past tense?
Yes.
Okay, so in this one, as you can see, we will only have these regular verbs. Okay, when we say regular verbs, all we have to do is we add ed at the end or we add d at the end of the word. Okay, so if it ends with a consonant, okay, when we say consonant, it is not A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so like C, D, B, K, M, N, L, P, Q, S, T, R, like that. Okay, so that is a consonants. Okay, so we will add ED at the end of the word. But if it ends with an E, look at this. Okay, we will have to add D at the end. Okay.
Yes.
Did you get this part? And if we have letter Y, okay, in this case, like this. If our word ends in Y, we will change that Y into I and add ED. Okay, like this one, cry, cried. And verbs that end with vowel and consonant, double the consonant. Okay, like this one. If we have I is a vowel, right? And P is a consonant. Okay, so instead of adding I, D, okay, so we will double the letter P, which is the consonant. So we will not do this one, but we will have to spell it with the double P. Okay, so this will be the past tense. Okay,
Yes.
do you understand?
Oh.
Okay, no question for this one? Okay, so let's try. Okay, I'll make it bigger. Don't worry, we will not have to finish all of this. We just have to review some of it. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, at least five questions. And this one are just a few. So you can finish this part. Okay, I'll wait for your answer. Okay, so on this part, you already have five. Okay, so now you move with the verbs that end in E. Okay, you're done here. It's okay. We will just review our lesson last week. You can move now here on the second part. This one dip. So we have an example here, close and then closed. Okay, liked, lived, shared, used, saved, okay, loved. Okay, we can finish on that. Okay, all your answers are correct. And now let's move with this. Okay, the double the consonants, and if it ends with Y, all we have to do is change it with an IED. Okay, I think we're so much for this. So, okay, married, and last will be, okay, copied. Okay, well, actually this one, we don't have to double the letter P. Okay, all you have to do is change that into the letter Y, you have to change it into I and add ED. Okay, look at this. So this one must be doubled N. Okay, double N. So it has to be pinned. Okay, pinned. Okay. So good. Okay, you're doing great with this one. So these are called simple past tense. Okay, remember regular verbs. When we say regular verbs, we only add ed, d, ied. Okay, so like that. Okay, but if it is irregular verbs, you have to change some of the spelling. Okay,
Yes.
or you can add also some letters. Okay, example, child. Okay, so it will become, okay, this is for the noun, okay? But okay, for this one, okay, just give me another word. Like this one. Teach. Okay, so the past tense would be taught. Okay, so some of the letters were changed. Okay, so that's about it. So now let's continue with our unit 10. Oopsie. Okay, so let's try to answer this, reordering the words to make correct sentences. So this is a continuation of our school trip. Okay, I'll wait for your answer, okay?
Yes.
If you have question, just let me know.
Number one, I don't know.
Okay. So all you have to do on the first thing is you see the capital letter, right? Okay, where? Okay, good. Did. Okay, now you have to look at the next words. Where did? So who do you think is the one asking for about this question? Where did? What is who is the noun here or pronoun?
I don't know.
You. Okay. Where did you? Okay,
Go.
next.
Go
Okay, go.
on your scholarship.
It's called. See? You know what to do. You just have to be confident in answering. Okay? Don't
Yes.
worry. Sometimes you get confused because of so many words. But you can do that. Number
Yes.
one is the hardest question. So I'm sure you can do this from 2 to 6. Okay, one more.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, so let's check. So number one, well, actually, I just help you with the first word, but you answered it correctly. So I'll give this a point for you. Okay, next. So we went to Hong King Temple. Okay, don't forget your period at the end. Okay, so next, what did you do there? Okay, and don't forget to capitalize the first letter. Next, we learned about history. Okay, so look at this. You have two words here. Okay, same. So they ate traditional food at food stalls. Okay, look, they ate traditional. So you have to add here traditional food at food stalls. Okay,
Yes.
next. So, okay, look at this. So capitalize the first letter, my friends. Boss, some clay toys. Okay, good. So you have here 5/6. That's a good score. That's 90% already.
Yes.
Okay, question about this. Yes.
Now we see.
You need to use the toilet?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I'll wait for you.
Welcome back.
Okay, so let's start again. Okay, so now we have here reading comprehension. Okay, first, let's read the instructions. So read the passage and write true for T or false for F. Okay, so we have here, okay, you have to read this first. Okay, try to read it out.
His classmates had a wonderful schoolship. They went to Cook Phương Natural Park by bus. The weather, the weather was nice and cool in the morning. They walked through the froze and saw many wild animals and oak trees. They learned a lot about natural and animal and animals. In the afternoon, they stopped at a food stall to have lunch. Phong took many beautiful photos of his friends. They went back home at 4 p.m.
Okay, so as you can see, I have some notes here. Okay, so before we answer this, let's reread these words. Okay, we have here trip.
Trip.
Okay, trip.
Trip.
Okay, like that. Yes, trip. Trip. Okay, next.
My school, my teacher say cheap.
Cheap. Okay, so it's cheap. This is, look, that's how you spell the word cheap. Okay, and sometimes like this, cheap. But if it's in A, this one is a bit longer. Cheap. This one, cheap. Okay, so this one is trip. 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 Trip.
Trip.
Okay, that's good. Trip. Okay, it's not chip. Okay, trip. Okay, now, next would be national.
National.
Very good. Okay, is it properly? Come on. National.
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 Null.
No.
Very good. National.
National.
Very good. Okay, this one.
Through.
Through. Okay.
Through.
Through. Okay, very good. Through. Next.
Forest.
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 Okay, forest. Next.
Wait.
It's wild.
Wow.
Okay, wild. And next. Nature.
Nature.
Okay, there you go. Okay, let's try again.
Sheep.
Again.
Trip.
Okay, next.
National. Nice. Through.
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 Okay, next.
I don't know. I don't remember.
How do you read this?
Rose. Rose.
Again?
Rose.
This one, just this one.
Fall.
And how about this one?
False.
This one.
False.
No, this one.
I don't know.
Okay, you can do it. Come on, again. How do you read this?
Full.
How about this one?
Rest.
See? Now combine.
Forest.
Okay, there you go. Forest. Okay, forest. Okay,
Forest.
now. Okay, I think that's just the mispronunciation. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, so don't rush. Okay, just read it slowly. Okay, so you won't get mispronounce the words. Okay, let's go.
Yesterday, Phong and his classmates had a wonderful school trip. They went to Cúc Phương National Park by bus. The weather was nice and cool. In the morning, they walked through the frozen
Again,
forest.
through, this one, through.
Through the
Yes.
forest and
Okay.
saw many wood.
Again.
Saw, I don't know.
Saw. Okay, you read this earlier. Saw.
Saw many wood. White.
Again.
Many white.
Wild.
White.
Okay, next.
Animals and old trees. They learned a lot about natural
Again.
animals. Natural, I don't know.
Nature.
Nature.
Okay.
And animals. In the afternoon, they stop at a food stall to have lunch. Phong took many beautiful photos of his friend. They went back home at 4 p.m.
Okay, so again, this one.
Through.
Very good. And this one.
White.
Okay, wild. How about this one?
Frozen.
Again.
Frozen.
Okay, frozen is like this. Frozen. Okay. So this one is?
Forest.
Okay, forests. There you go.
Forest.
Okay, forests. Not frozen. It's a different word. Okay, so now let's go with the activity. Okay, I'll zoom it out so you can see all the questions. Okay, there you go. Okay, look at this. Read the passage. It says right. Right, true, or false. So that means here. Okay, that's okay.
Finish.
Okay, you're done. Okay, so I'm going to write here on the left side, okay? Because in the instruction you have to write, okay? So we have here true, false, false, so true, false, and false. Okay, this one is false, okay? Uh-oh, doesn't look like it's letter F. Okay, I'll write it again. Okay, so let's read number 1. Phong had a school trip yesterday. So that is correct. Okay, next. They went to Batrang Pottery Village. Okay, you said it is false. Why it is false? Because,
To cook for national.
okay, that is correct. So they went to Cook Phong National Park. How about number 3? The weather was hot and rainy. But you said it's false. Why it's false?
Because the weather was nice and cold.
Okay, because the weather was nice and cool. Okay, next, they saw wild animals in the forest. So that is also true. Okay, they had lunch at a food stall.
No, because this not have they have lunch.
Okay, let's try to read. They said they had lunch at a food stall. In the afternoon, they stopped at a food stall to have lunch. Okay, so that means they had lunch at a food stall. Okay, how about number 6? Fong bought many souvenirs for his parents. You said it's false. Why it's false?
Because found too many beautiful photo of his friend parents.
Okay, for his friends, and it's beautiful photos, not souvenirs. Okay, so that is also correct. So you have 5 out of 6.
I have 6.
Okay.
I have 5.
It's 6 questions. 1, 2, 3,
No. 6 of 6. 6.6.
You want 6 over 6. Okay, so maybe later you can do that. Okay, so always remember, like what I've said, you have to double check your answer. Okay, don't rush. So you can get perfect score. Okay, remember we still have plenty of time to do it. So you don't have to rush. Okay, now we have the next page here. Okay, worksheet number 5. Okay, can you read this for me?
Number 5 is Unit 10 out school trip worksheet by water puppet. I don't know. Say.
Okay. So in American English we say it theater. Okay, but some other people they pronounce it as theater. Okay, so that's okay if you say theater.
Theater.
Water puppet theater, reading and writing. Okay, try again.
Water puppet. Theater, reading and writing.
Okay, water puppet theater, reading and writing. Okay, so now we have number 9. Read the passage again and choose the best answer. Okay, so your options are A, B, or C. Okay, now let's read it again. Okay, don't rush.
Hi, my name is Lucy. Last Friday, my school, I did not say.
Okay, organized.
Organize a trip to the water puppet factory and theater. We went there at 8 o'clock. The theater was big and crowded. We watched an interesting water puppet show. The colorful puppets moved on the water, and they were very funny. After the show, we went to a souvenir shop near theater. I bought some small crafts, and my friends Alex bought a beautiful puppet. We enjoyed our school trip very much.
Okay, so we read this as bought,
Much.
bought,
Much.
bought.
Bought.
Okay, bought. Okay, so let's look at this again. Let's see which word you mispronounce. Okay, this one souvenir and bought. Bought
Bought.
or boss. Okay, there are some words like this. They have the same sound, okay, but different meaning. So this one is bought. Okay, look at the spelling. Bought. And this one is both. Okay, so the other one is like this. Boat.
Boat.
Boat. And this one, it ends with H. Both. Both. Both.
Both.
Okay, and this one, bought.
Both.
Okay. So now let's try to answer number 1 to 6. Okay, I'll just wait for you here, okay?
Yes. Shh. Teacher, I don't know number 4.
Okay, look at don't forget to always look at the paragraph, okay? Like the story. Okay, number 4, what did the puppets do on the water? Okay, look at the story.
It's last Friday. No. Number 4, I don't know. In the picture, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, you don't have to look at the pictures. You have to look at this story. Okay, look, we watched an interesting water puppet show. The colorful puppets moved on the water and they were very funny. After the show, we went to a souvenir shop near the theater. I bought some small crafts and my friend Alex bought a beautiful puppet. We enjoyed our school trip very much. Okay, so the trick here, okay, whenever you don't know the answer, you have to read it again. Okay? That's how you do it. You have to read it again so you can look at the correct answer.
Yes.
Okay, now you try number 4. Only one answer left.
Number 4, one is I think it's uh uh
You can read it again for you to see.
I think it's songs move and were funny.
Okay, there you go. See? All you have to do is read the story. Okay, your answers are all correct.
See this and I think and I see and I think
Yes, that's about it. And look at the word moved. Okay, they were moving on the water. Okay, so when did Lucy's school organize the trip? So that was last Friday. Where did they go? Okay, to the Water Puppet Theater. How was the theater? It is big and crowded. What did the puppets do on the water? Moved and were funny. What did Lucy buy at the souvenir shop? So some small crafts. And who bought a beautiful puppet? So it is Alex. Okay, see? So that's how you do it. So you got the perfect score now.
yes.
Okay, very good, Deep. Okay, again, how do you say this one or how do you read this? Let me see if you remember.
Teacher, my mom give me beef. This, no. She have a beef.
Uh-huh. Oh, nice. Okay. So when you study hard, you will get reward from your mom. That's good. Okay. So first, okay, how you read it again? This one. Let's go back so you can recall.
Organs, organs that organize.
Okay. Okay, there you go. Organize again.
Organize.
Okay. And how about this one?
Theater.
Okay, theater. How about this one?
Souvenir.
Okay, souvenir. And
Belt.
again,
Belt.
again,
Belt.
bought.
Bot.
Okay, boss.
Bot.
Okay, or boss. Like this one, boss.
Yes.
Boss. Okay, it has H on it, boss. Okay, so I think this one we will not be able to finish this because you have to do 40 to 50 words. Okay, so we can try. If you don't get to finish this, okay, so this will be part of your homework. Okay, but you have pen and paper there.
Yes.
Okay. So we still have 10 minutes more. So if you get to finish it, and if you don't get to finish it, you can take a picture and send it to me. Okay. Do you have another class after our tutor?
Yes.
Another class? You have another tutor?
Yes.
Okay. So if you didn't, huh?
I have a class math.
Oh, math. Okay. So, since we will not be able to finish this, okay, and if we don't have enough time to do that, you can submit it on our group chat in Zalo. Okay, so maybe after your math class or tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but you can try, okay? You can try to do or write a paragraph about 40 to 50 words. Okay, because we still have time. Okay, so still have 9 minutes. Okay, you can try. You can write it on your paper. Okay, so we have guide questions here.
Where my paper? Oh,
Okay. So we have guide questions here, Deep, like this one. Number 1, where did you go on your school trip? When did you go there? How did you go there? Is it by bus, by car? Okay, number 4, what did you do there? 5, what did you buy or eat? And number 6, did you enjoy the trip? Okay, so using these questions, you can write 40 to 50 words about your school trip. Okay. So if you have questions, just let me know, okay?
yes. Teacher, I don't know Camel I don't know Camel is city or province. Province. Yes. I don't know Camel. Yes, in Vietnam. I don't know this is a province or city.
Oh, you didn't know if it's a province or a city. It's okay for as long as you write where did you go. Okay? So that's fine with teacher. You don't have to tell teacher like the specific.
Okay, I don't come off.
Okay, we still have 2 minutes left.
Okay.
Okay, Deep, since we only have few minutes left. Okay.
I'm done.
Wow, you're done. That was quick. Okay. You can send it in our Zalo, okay? And make sure if you get to have like 40 to 50 words, okay? You have to count one by one, okay? So,
Yeah.
okay. So just send it to the Zalo and then I will check later. And then next week, we will read your answer, okay? So I can help you with your grammar. Okay, thank you. And I hope you learned something from me today. Did you learn something?
Yes, I know.
No, you did not learn anything?
Yes. Go to the
Okay.
zoo.
Oh, okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, yeah, it's tomorrow. I thought it's next week. Okay, so tomorrow, same time. Okay. So we will check your answer. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Deep.